What is a wetland? Wetlands are among the most productive and diverse ecosystems on Earth, providing essential benefits to humans and wildlife alike. These areas are home to a wide range of plant and animal species, including many that are rare, endangered, or threatened. Wetlands also play a critical role in mitigating climate change, as they are one of the largest natural carbon sinks on the planet. One of the defining characteristics of wetlands is the presence of water. These areas can be inundated with water for part or all of the year, or they may have water present just below the surface. The hydrology of wetlands is complex and can vary depending on factors such as rainfall, groundwater levels, and nearby bodies of water. Wetlands are also characterized by the unique soil types that they support. Wetland soils are generally rich in organic matter and are often saturated with water. These conditions create a unique habitat that supports a wide range of plant species, including many that are adapted to wet conditions, such as cattails, reeds, and sedges. In addition to their ecological importance, wetlands provide many benefits to humans. They help regulate water flow, reducing the impact of floods and droughts, and filtering pollutants from the water. Wetlands also provide habitat for fish and wildlife, which are important sources of food and recreation for people. In many cultures, wetlands are also important spiritual and cultural sites. Despite their importance, wetlands are under threat from a variety of human activities. Land development, agricultural practices, and pollution can all have negative impacts on wetlands and their associated ecosystems. In some areas, wetlands have been drained or filled in to make way for urban development or agriculture. Recognizing the critical role that wetlands play in the environment and society, many countries have implemented laws and regulations to protect these important ecosystems. In the United States, for example, the Clean Water Act provides for the protection of wetlands and other bodies of water. Many countries have also established protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife refuges, to conserve wetlands and their associated biodiversity. In conclusion, wetlands are among the most important and productive ecosystems on Earth. These areas provide critical habitat for a wide range of plant and animal species, while also providing essential ecosystem services such as water regulation and carbon sequestration. However, wetlands are under threat from a variety of human activities, and it is essential that we take steps to protect and conserve these valuable ecosystems for future generations. What is a wetland ecosystem? A wetland ecosystem is a complex and unique habitat that is characterized by the presence of water and a variety of plant and animal species that have adapted to wet conditions. Wetlands are among the most productive and biologically diverse ecosystems on Earth, providing essential services to humans and wildlife alike. One of the defining features of wetlands is their hydrology. These areas are typically characterized by saturated soils and standing water, which create a variety of unique habitats. Wetlands can be found in a wide range of landscapes, from river floodplains and coastal estuaries to upland bogs and mountain meadows. Wetland soils are also unique and support a variety of plant species that have adapted to the wet conditions. Wetland soils are often rich in organic matter, and they are frequently saturated with water. These conditions support a diverse range of plant species, including sedges, rushes, and water-loving trees like willows and bald cypress. The plant species found in wetlands provide important habitat for a wide range of animal species, including fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Wetlands are particularly important for migratory birds, as they provide critical stopover habitat for species that are traveling long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. Many wetland species are also important sources of food for humans, including fish, shellfish, and waterfowl. Wetlands provide a wide range of ecosystem services, including water filtration, flood control, and carbon sequestration. Wetlands are particularly effective at filtering pollutants from the water, as the plants and soils in these areas are able to remove and absorb many harmful substances. Wetlands also help regulate water flow and can reduce the impact of floods and droughts. Unfortunately, wetlands are under threat from a variety of human activities. Land development, agriculture, and pollution are all major contributors to wetland loss and degradation. In some areas, wetlands have been drained or filled in to make way for urban development or agriculture. This loss and degradation of wetlands can have significant impacts on the environment, including reduced water quality, decreased biodiversity, and increased greenhouse gas emissions. In response to these threats, many countries have implemented laws and regulations to protect wetlands and their associated ecosystems. Efforts to conserve wetlands include the creation of protected areas, restoration of degraded wetlands, and education and outreach programs to raise awareness about the importance of wetlands. In conclusion, wetland ecosystems are incredibly important and valuable habitats that support a diverse array of plant and animal species while also providing essential ecosystem services to humans. However, wetlands are under threat from a variety of human activities, and it is essential that we take steps to protect and conserve these valuable ecosystems for future generations. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications.